today we'll talk about how can you enable biometric authentication on your web app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to accept here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on account security, you just click on it here. So then you come to accept here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on biometric authentication, just click on it. You come to accept here, then you come here to biometric authentication, just click in this sign. Like you see this color shift for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.